G'day YouTubers. Just going to show you a spring compressor I built out of just bits of scrap here, and I just wanted something that's simple to do and whatever, but it's very easy to make, and I'll give you a demo. This is me do-it-yourself spring compressor for your motorbike, maybe even car. It's this end here slips onto your vise, and these two go over your spring. I'll just give you a quick demo on how it's done. Pretty close fit on your vise. Got my nice big pole for your leverage. Down she goes, and that's all it is to it. And once again, I'll put it back in, as I want to put it back on the bike. And that's all it is to it. Thanks very much.